How to download an Instagram photo on your mobile account. So you want to first go ahead and open up Instagram. So from here, the easiest and most fastest way to get this photo into your gallery is to do a simple screenshot just like that. You click on the screenshot and of course just crop out the unnecessary parts and click on the save button. And that is really quick and simple and easy to do. However, if you want to get the actual photo downloaded, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots on the right hand side. And then simply click on "We're moving things around." You click on the paper airplane. And then simply at the bottom, you can find this option that says copy link. So we'll go ahead and do that. Once the link has been copied, we're going to exit out, go into a search engine such as Google, and then type in Instagram Photos Downloader. So we'll go ahead and click on this first option right here, but any of those options should be able to work. And from here, you want to paste in the link they just copied and then click on download photo. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that the photo has been downloaded. So you want to go ahead and click on download. And just like that, photo has been downloaded. If we click on open, as you can see, it is now in our gallery.